In this video, we're going to show you how to install a crankshaft position sensor on your Jeep Wrangler located on the back side of the engine. From underneath the vehicle on the bell housing here, this is the transmission and it bolts to the engine. Right on the driver's side, probably about 11 o'clock position, you're going to find your crankshaft position sensor. On the manual transmission, there are 2 bolts securing this unit. On the automatic, it's going to be 1 bolt. Now I'm going to use an 11 millimeter socket on my ratchet. Okay, remove that bolt there. Get to that other one. Not a lot of room between the floor pan and the bell housing, but there is room, so take your time. And then what I'll do is I'll switch over to an extension and continue working at this here till we get the bolt out. Okay, go ahead and pull out that second bolt there. And our crank sensor will come out of that bell housing there. With that loose, let's go ahead and move up top and disconnect the electrical connector from the top side. And with the hood open on the back side of the engine, you gotta locate your fuel rail right here. Now just to the right of that, there's gonna be a connector right here, and if you grab the tail end of that and you pull up on that, well, there's your crankshaft position sensor that we just unbolted down below. Now we need to disconnect this connector right here. Go ahead and use the trim tool, and you're gonna go underneath, and you wanna basically just release that connector. And pop this off. Flip it over, and on the bottom side, you're gonna find the connector right here. You're gonna press down on this tab and separate the two, like so. Then go ahead and remove the crankshaft position sensor. Now, with that removed, you can see right here that the bottom half of our retainer had broken off. Not a big issue because it's getting thrown out anyways. So just go ahead and finish removing that the rest of the way. And just push that little button on through, a little plastic nubby there. Now with that removed, you can go ahead and grab the new crankshaft position sensor and go ahead and lower this down. And we're just going to reverse that procedure. Take the connector, line this up. Push that in until you hear it and feel it snap into place. I'm going to flip this over. And go ahead and just press that little Christmas tree mounting tab back into that hole that we just removed the other part from. Go ahead and push that in. Now with that installed there, we're going to go down below and we're going to install the 2 bolts for our position sensor down below. So now we have to find that sensor. Here we go. Good, bring the sensor down. We're going to feed it into the hole here. Let's go ahead and get the bolts started by hand. Now I like to thread these bolts in as far as I can by hand. And then we'll come on back and finish snugging those down. And once we have that snug down, we're going to grab our ratchet and our deep socket. I want to go ahead and make sure that these are good and snug. So once that bolt bottoms out, you want to give it just a little bit more. Do the same for the upper. Now that you have that snug and everything is installed, what you want to do is go ahead and clear any check engine light codes that you might have. At that point there, go ahead and start up the vehicle, take it for a road test. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.